Alright viewers, in this diagram we want to calculate the total volume of concrete needed to build this culvert. This is the tubing and this is the dimensions for the culvert. So let us start. But before we do, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. Especially for those of us asking my full videos. In my YouTube channel you get the full videos. Let's proceed. So I will start by calculating for the tubing. Remember, the tubing anchors this apron down to the what? To the earth. So it spans from here to here. So the dimensions are this. For us to get the volume of concrete in the tubing, we have 2 meters, which is from here to here. You can see the dimension here. Multiplying 0.4, multiplying the thickness 0.3. Because it's at the inlet and outlet, you multiply by 2. So we have this. We have 0.24 times 2, which is equals to 0.48 meter cube. This is volume for the tubing. So let's proceed to the aprons. The aprons volume will be equals to, the aprons are this inlet, this shape. So let's get this. So we have 2 plus this 2 plus 1.2 over 2 multiplying this 1.3. I'm taking the average of this and this to multiply this times. Take note, in this calculation the thickness of all the wall is 0.2 times the thickness of the apron. So whatever you have to multiply by 2. So we have this. Summation of this and this divided by 2 give us 1.6 times 1.3 times 0.2 multiplied by 2. So this will give us this 0.83 meter cube. That is for the aprons. Let us go for the wing walls. That is for the head wall. Then let us also find out volume. The volume for top and bottom slab. For top and bottom slab, we are having span of 12 meter multiplied by the width is 1.2 multiplied by the thickness is 0.2. So since it's top and bottom, I'll multiply this by 2. So whatever we have, multiply by 2. So all this is 2.88 times 2 will give us 5.76 meter cube. So this is the volume of concrete for top and bottom slab. Then the next thing we need to consider is for the walls, the vertical walls. So for the walls, it will be the length through which the wall is spanning is 12 multiplied by the height of the wall from here to here, from the top of this base to this point is 1.2. So if you remove the thickness of this wall, what is left is 1.2. So the wall is 1.0 meter. So we have 1.0 times the height of the wall is 1.0 meter times the thickness of the wall is 0.2. So So whatever we have to multiply by 2. So let's proceed here. So 12 times 1.0 times 0.2 will give us 2.4. 2.4 you multiply by 2 will give us what? 4.8 meter cube.